In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off all comments inside TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, what you first need to do is open up your TikTok app on your phone. Now from here, click onto your user profile, make sure to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in now. Now, once you're inside your profile, click on the hamburger looking icon, top right hand corner of the page here, and then scroll down and click into settings and privacy. This will take you to the settings and privacy section of your TikTok account. From here, you want to click onto privacy, scroll down, and under interactions, you got comments there. So go ahead and click into comments, and it says allow comments from everyone. To disable that, go ahead and click onto everyone, and you got a couple of choices here. You can only allow comments from just your friends, or you can click no one. So this video is no one, so I want to go ahead and click no one, then click back, and there you go. That's how to disable those comments.